Hello, we're here on the 390Rk Solitude. 5 slides, 42 foot. Let's talk about tank capacities on this. Tank capacities on the Solitude 390Rk are 106 gallons of gray water, 56 gallons of fresh water, plus a 12-gallon water heater. So really you're getting 65 gallons of fresh and 53 gallons of black water capacity. Should you go to a rally, someplace that does not have sewer hookup, you can stay for 2 weeks easily with this coach with the tank capacities. Storage is something else I always like to show on this particular floor plan. Almost 165 cubic foot of storage. I mean, literally, you can put bodies in here. Plenty of room for all your golf clubs, your lawn chairs, fishing poles. Shoot, put the grandkids in here. Standard this year on the 20 models is the more ride suspension. A common complaint from consumers with a fifth wheel hitch is when you're going over a concrete interstate, you get a chucking effect or a lot of vibration. This here will actually pivot back and forth to reduce that, make it for a lot smoother ride. Once again, that's a standard feature with the Solitude product. Docking station on the Solitude product, just like all other products, very conveniently located, easy to use. Simply follow the illustrations. Whether you are winterizing your coach, sanitizing your units, city water hookup, portable water, or a power fill, all done from this location. Whole house water filtration system, so water not only in your kitchen sink, but your laboratory and your shower all runs through a water filter system, just like what you'd have at home. 6-point hydraulic leveling system. Unlike a lot of companies at this price point, they will put an electric leveling system, which doesn't give you nearly as much travel, so if you get some uneven campsites, you'll have to block them up. Hydraulic, you don't have to go through all the fuss of that. Very stable, that is standard with a Solitude product. Another really neat little feature that's standard with a Solitude product, we are set up for side observation cameras. So running down the road or backing into a campsite, pre-wired and set up for, once again, the side observation cameras. Neat little feature. A really neat feature about the raised rear kitchen is it gives us the opportunity to create a basement. So this storage area is almost 10 foot in depth, it's 8.5 foot wide, so that's 80 square foot of storage. A really very user-friendly feature on this unit is the slide-out tray. No more having to crawl inside your basement to figure out what's in the middle. You can get to it right here very easily. We're inside the 390Rk Solitude. Brand new floor plan for the lineup for us this year. We're really excited about it. We have dual opposing slides that have trifold sofas so you can sleep up to 4 adults inside the living room. Reclining, heated, massage chairs. Beautiful entertainment center, large flat screen TV, electric fireplace, actual wood fascia wall, very residential touch. Inside the 390Rk, you'll find plenty of counter space for the chef and your family. Island kitchen, raised up bar that overlooks the main salon. One thing about the Solitude product is their attention to detail. All the wood valances and lambrequins, not fabric, that is all solid wood. You'll find a 80-20 split sink, very deep, pull-out sprayer head faucet. The new Furrion oven and the sealed burner system. Don't have to worry about any kind of crumbs or anything getting down into your flames because they're against all sealed. We do have a timer. This has got a blower on it, so your air is moving around a little better, so you'll get more even cooking. Exhaust fan. Does have the rain sensor. Get a nice cool day. We don't need the air conditioning. You can turn that little rascal on, create a nice breeze throughout your whole coach. A hidden feature in the 390Rk is in the pantry. Plenty of storage for your canned goods, whatnots. I love the drawers. All solid wood construction, no particle board. Nice touch. Inside the new 390Rk, you'll find a double vanity in the master bathroom, a step-down shower, plenty of room to get into. This is a one-piece fiberglass shower, just like what you would have in your home. Very solid construction. A lot of companies will have foam underneath their showers. This is actual plywood. We don't have to worry about any kind of plumbing leaks from any of the heat traps and things. After a long day out camping, you come into the master suite, which in this model here has a king-size bed. Room for a washer dryer, if desired. A nice walk-in closet. Plenty of storage for your shoes, extended stays. This unit has got everything you possibly could need. Come see the new 390Rk Solitude at Cookeville RV and Marine, where your adventure awaits.